Okay, Gracie. Do you know how to count to 100?
Yeah.
But it takes a long time because you got to go 1, 2, 3, 4.
And it's boring.
It gets boring when you have to count all the numbers. Wouldn't it be cool if we could have a way to count to 100 that was faster?
Yeah.
Like maybe skip some numbers?
I
Yeah.
like that.
Today we're going to learn how to count. We're going to skip count by 5's in order to get to 100, and it's going to be faster than counting by 1 where we just count every number. Because when we count every number, it's good that we know them, but it can be a little bit long. So today we're going to skip count by 5.
Let's skip count.
So I'm going to show you. So first, I've got some marbles here.
Ooh,
And
I love marbles.
can I have you take out 5 marbles and just kind of place them next to each other?
1, 2.
Here, lay them on the table as you take them out.
3, 4, 5.
Can you put them in a row so I can see them?
They make noise.
They do make noise.
Are
that's-
are they heavy?
Yeah, so you have 5 here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and add 5 more. Watch. Can you count with me?
Ooh, 1,
1. Oop.
2,
2. Go ahead and take. You can do it.
3. Uh-oh.
It's okay. Here, I'll hold that for you.
4 and 5.
5. So now we have 2 groups of 5. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So how many does all of that make?
10.
10. Right.
5 and 5 makes 10.
Right. So then we have 5, 10. If we were to add another group of 5, what would the next number be?
I don't know.
Well, let's count it. So if that was 10, then let's count. 11.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 15
Right.
on 3 5s.
So skip counting is when we count by 5, we skip 5. So if this is 1, we skip 5 and we come to 5. So right, so it'd be 5, and then you skip another 5, 10, and skip another 5, 15. So you count by groups of 5.
And let's do it again.
You're gonna do it one more time, and then we're gonna look at something else.
15, 4, 9,
16.
16, 17,
What are you gonna do to 17? That'll be the 17.
18, 19, 20.
20.
So 3 5s make, 4 5s make 20?
Right, so then if we just count the 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, now let's put these in here. And we're gonna look at our 100 chart, okay?
100 chart.
I got a 100 chart. Because
Ooh,
we're gonna count to 100 by counting by 5's, and it's gonna be faster than if we were to count every single number. Okay? And we get to do it together because I have one and you have one. So I'll grab my marble, grab my first marble. So if we're gonna count by 5, here you can have this marble.
Thank you.
Where do we start?
At 5.
At 5. 5. What comes next?
15.
Whoa, is it 15? Is there not another group of 5 before 15? Why don't you go ahead and count? Count from here. 1, 2.
Oh, it's 15.
Nope, keep going. No, not 15. Look right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our next 5 goes on the 10. Because it goes 5, 10. Grab your marble. Let's do it. What's next? 5, 10. Can you show me?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. That's a group of 5. So what's our next 5?
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Okay. And then we have
What's it called?
21.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25. Go ahead.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30. Go ahead.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
40. There's another group of 5.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45,
45.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
50.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55,
5.
56.
Next group of 5.
60, distract me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60. This is a lot of marbles.
It is a lot of marbles.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
70.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 76, 70, 78, 70. I forgot what is it called?
79. You got it. You're doing great.
78, 79,
80.
80.
You got it.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
90. Look, we're almost to 100. Go ahead.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Now, so what do you notice about where our marbles at? Is there a pattern?
Yeah, there's kind of because one side and another. Like 5 and 10 and other stuff.
So kind of like we have the whole, every 5 has a marble on it, right? And every number that has a 0 has a number on it. So when we count by 5s, there's always going to be a 5 and a 0. So why don't we count our marbles? Just our marbles. We're not going to count 1 or any of that. We'll count our marbles. So ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now keep up with me. 40. And then 45 right there. 50, go over to 50, 55, 60, say it with me, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Wasn't that faster to count to 100? Do you think you want to try it?
What?
Do it on your own, or do you want me to walk you through it again?
No.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna move these off and then we're gonna do it one more time, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna put them back on our 5 so that way we can get good at it. And we'll just move them up to the side.
Wow, look at these marbles.
So now we're gonna start over and then we're gonna do count by 5s again. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, count with me, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. See how fast that was?
Yeah, why do I have
Oh,
extra ones?
you accidentally missed one right there. Just go ahead and fill it right there on the 15.
Yeah.
So when we count by 5s, we're counting groups of 5. So we're jumping. We're jumping over numbers. So let me show you, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you something on the board. So let me, let's put these. Don't worry, because after I show you on the board, we're gonna do a fun worksheet where we get to help a frog cross a pond.
Ooh, I like ponds.
Yeah, so can you put your marbles in here for me?
They look heavy to me.
They look heavy.
I wish I could make something like maybe a bumblebee.
Maybe a bumblebee. Get them in there.
And get
Let me see.
your marbles in.
Let me see.
It's like hands eating marbles.
Let me see.
Yeah.
There we go. Now let me show you something. So that way I can make sure you're good on the 5's. Have you seen a number line before?
Yeah.
You've seen a number line? So let me show you. Because when we count by 5's, all we're doing is hopping 5 numbers. We're hopping or jumping. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can't see you.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here, actually, we're going to stop it at the 16 right here and jump down to this line. This will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You got it?
22, 23.
Ooh, you're going fast.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
We'll stop at 30, okay? 25, okay?
30.
Let me catch up to you. 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, so we're counting by 5's. We count groups of 5's. And you know how we laid our marble on every 5 and 0 because we were going by 5's?
Yeah.
Let me show you on the number line. So if we start right here and we're counting by 5's, we're going to jump 5, okay? So where do I need to jump to?
5.
I jump, woo, right here to 5.
It's like a
And then-
frog.
Yeah, like a frog jumping. Now, if we have a little frog and he's at 5, he's going to jump 5 more. Where's he going?
To 10.
10. He's going to jump 5 more to 10. And then he's going to jump from 10,
The
5
15.
more. 15. And then he's going to jump from 15, so we're going to make a leap. He's going to come down to 20 because he jumped 5 from 15. And then from 20, he's going to jump, do you know where he's going to jump next? From
No.
20, he's going to jump 5. So if we see 21, 22, 23, 24,
25.
25. So he's going to jump to 25. And after 25, where is he going to jump? 30. So every time we count by 5, we're jumping 5. So then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You get it? Do you understand? So when we count by 5's, we're jumping 5. We're skipping 5. So we're jumping to the next 5.
Wow.
And notice how we have a 5, and then we have 10, and 10 has a 0. But then we go to 15, and what does 15 have?
A
A
5.
5. Then we go to 20, and what does 20 have? What is that number? A 0. And then what does 25 have?
15.
A 5. You see how 25 has a 5?
Mhm.
And then what number does 30 have right here? 0. So when you look at counting by 5's, we have 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. So every number that has a 5 or has a 0, you're skipping 5. So if you're counting by 5's, let's say you're counting by 5's, Gracie, would you ever, would 19, if you jump from 15 to 19, is that 5 hops that you did, or is that 4?
4.
4, because you didn't quite make it. So right, if you're jumping from 15, you always are going to land on 20, because that's 5. Does it make sense? So you can count with me just these first couple ones real fast. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What would come after 30? If the pattern,
31.
not 31, if we're counting by 5's, and remember 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. If 30 has a 0, what number needs to come next?
6.
What comes, look, if it's 5, 0, 5, 0. If 30 has a 0, what number needs to come next?
5.
35. Yes, 35. So 30, 35.
I'm going to go to the next part now.
The more numbers or the page?
The day.
Okay, do you think you're ready?
Yeah.
You think you're ready to skip count by 5? All right, we'll try it out. Okay, so let me show you this. Yeah, I'll give you this little,
I want to have the frog.
but let me give you this. All right, this says, let's skip count. Can you skip count by 5's? It says the frog needs to hop on the lily pads to get to the other end of the pond. He needs to get down here. So he's gonna go like this.
5, 15, 20.
So it says skip count by 5 to get to the other end. So if he hops here, then what number needs to be here so he can land on it?
50.
Well, no, look right here.
15.
5 blank 15. So what?
10. Ooh, this
And then he comes up here. So count right here. Say 5,
5, 10,
15.
20, 21.
Nope. Is it 21? What's 5 after 20? Because he's hopping.
25.
There you go.
There.
Okay. And then what's next?
25, 30, 35.
And then he hops back up from 35 to 40.
40, 50, 45.
So can you count the lily pads as he hopped?
5, 10, 15, 20, 21.
No, wait.
I mean 25, 20, 30, 31, 35, 40,
Wait.
40, 45, 50.
50. All right. And you put your name on there? Thank you, Gracie. All right. Is it faster counting to 100 by 5's? Yeah. Can you give me a high five?